And hi everyone, my name is Nurul Afika binti Awang, and I would like to teach you how to use Pixlr to design a poster. So this is a Pixlr page. If you are a student or a teacher in Malaysia, you will definitely have an email which is given by Ministry of Education, and you would know how to use this, right? Okay, so you just open your Delima account. If you're a student, then you have to choose the fourth button from behind, the first one, the second, the third, and the fourth, and then you will see a Pixlr application here. If you're a teacher like me, you can either choose the first one, then choose AI tools. Then you will see a Pixlr AI image generator here. Or you can simply choose the second button from the front and you'll see the same page. Okay, so this is what we are going to use to create our poster today. So if you click Pixlr AI image generator, this page will come out. Okay, if you are a beginner, then you will see a login or sign up button here. You just have to click on the login and sign up button, then you have to click continue with Google and then sign up your own email. If you already sign up, then your name will appear here for all the people, all the teachers and students who sign up using MOE email address. You would receive a premium account for free, which is a pro account. Okay, so there are many Pixlr application here, such as Pixlr Editor, Pixlr Express, Designer, Batch Editor, and so on. So today I'm going I'm going to just teach you a very basic one, which is how to create a poster. Okay, so you go to here, you see an open image, AI image generator, and create new, right? So you click create new. There are some recommendation on which templates to choose from. You have a lot of templates that you can choose with different sizes, okay? But normally people use 1080 times 1080 pixel for social media posts. So if you opt to choose this template, you just have to click on the template here. The blue lines will come out here, which means that you have chosen the template. And then you have to rename your project. For example, I want to rename the project to my own name, which is Nurul Afrika Awang. And then you just have to click create. Okay, this is the poster size that I have chosen, which is 1080 times 1080 pixel. If you see number 39 here, it's because of the zoom. So this, you can zoom in and zoom out the template. Okay, so I would normally zoom just enough for me to see. If you see the background here, if you see a white background, then that means your poster uh has a white background. If you see black here, then the poster is having a black background. If you see um check box like this, that means your poster is currently transparent. Okay, so today I'm gonna teach you from the basic. So if you want to create a poster, you ought to have a title for the poster. So if you want to put a title, you go to the left side here, then you would see this T, which is for text. Just click on the T. You can choose any design that you like, but for beginners, I would suggest just choose add new text. Okay, whenever you choose add new text, these words will always come out, which is lorem ipsum. So how to change the text here? You have to go to the text on your left side and then delete this lorem ipsum and then replace with the title of your poster. So today um let's learn with AI. For example, let's learn with AI our poster title for today. Okay, so if you scroll down here, you see the word font here. Font, you can click here, then you see numerous font that you can choose from. You just have to choose one that you really like. For example, let's choose Halloween. Oh no, maybe let's choose Ice Bolt. Okay, and then scroll down some more. You see fill here. Fill refers to the color that you want to use for your text. So if you want to choose red, okay, you just put your cursor here, then you can choose either you want a really thin red, a really bright red, or dark red. If you want to choose yellow, then you just have to put here on yellow, then you can choose many degrees of yellows. If you want to choose blue, then you just put on the blue, and then you have to choose the degrees, okay, and so on and so forth. So let's say we want to just use white, so just choose the white here, okay, and then click OK. So and then you can also resize your wording. If you push backward, then you will see small wording. If you push forward, it will become bigger. So you can choose the size that you like. Okay, then scroll down some more. You see the word align here. If you choose left align, that means your wording will start from the left side of the box. If you choose center align, then it will be at the center. And if you choose right align, then it will align by the right side. So it will list pieces here. So normally I like to use center align. Okay, that's about it. Okay, if you want to have colors or background, you can go to layers here and you can choose to add layers. Just click on add layers, then you can choose shape. Okay, just make the shape bigger, the same size as your poster, and then go to the left side, scroll down, and then choose fill. The fill here, if you want to choose just one color, you just go here. If you want to choose more than one, two, three, or four, you can choose gradient. Some gradients are already given for you, so if you don't want to think much, you can just scroll down here and choose whatever that you like. But let's say if you scroll down until the end, you still can't find what you like, then you can choose to uh choose the color yourself, combine the color yourself. So first you click on this and then you click on the color. Let's say you want the top one to be blue. Okay, then you just click on the blue that you like and then you click here back and it will become blue. So here if you want to choose this color to be something else, you click on that and then click color. Let's see, I want to choose black. Okay, and then I click back here, it'll become blue and black. If you want to have two, if you want to have three colors, let's say you just push here. Okay, click here, then you get another color. Let's say you want the, just click here one more time and then click color. Let's say you want to put also blue or maybe purple. Okay, here I would like to have dark purple. Okay, and then click here, then you see three colors. Okay, get it? And then you can also adjust. You want the color to be here or more purple here, it's up to you. After that, don't forget to click OK. If you don't click OK, it wouldn't save the color that you have chosen. Okay, so we have the background here, but where was the title that we have put? Put the title, but it's missing here. Because why? Because the layers are at the bottom. If you want your word to be above this layer, then you have to put your wording layer on top of the layer. Then you see there are your titles there. This one doesn't have anything, right? So it just makes more space. So if you don't need that, you can delete it. Just click on the three buttons here. Then you will see delete layer here, which is the rubbish bin. Just click on it. Then the empty one will go away, so you don't have it anymore. Your wording, you can also drag it up or down wherever you like it. Okay, normally when we create a poster, nowadays people put hashtag. So if you want to put hashtag, where do you go? You go back to the left, you choose tags, and then add new tags. Again, you go to the tags here, okay, here, and then write, for example, hashtag jom belajar AI with Pixlr, hashtag Pixlr, hashtag PAAM 2024, hashtag the Lima, hashtag my SK Bouquet Sour, for example. Okay, and then you can also choose the font that you like. Let's say I want this time for the hashtag, I want to use flamingo. That looks okay. And feel, let's say I want to use yellow, then click OK. You can also resize your font just like the title. Does it look okay? Too big? Maybe just make it smaller. Okay, and then you can drag also wherever you like. Let's see, I want to put it here. Okay, then close this one. So now we have a title and also the hashtags. What are we lacking? Oh, it's so bad. So we should add some photos. Okay, since the topic is about AI, then I would like to put AI robots inside. So if you want to add an image, you go again to add layers, click on the add layers, and then add image. Okay, If you haven't got any photos, then you can just go to Google image and then choose whichever image that you like. For me, I have saved the image that I would like to use in this folder called Binky AI. Okay, so I would like to use, for example, cyborg. Then I click open. Then you see the cyborg here. Okay, but I like the cyborg, but I don't like the background that comes with it. So what do? I can remove the background using AI tools. So go to the left side, click AI tools, choose remove background. Here you are. Click remove background. Click again remove background. You have to wait for a while. And then you see there, but you still have to click apply. If you don't click apply, then the background would stay. Yeah, and then you can adjust wherever you like. I still think this is so bad. Why is this happening here? Okay, if there is a hole here, if I want to repair the hole, I want to put the wires here, just like the robots that is supposed to be. Okay, and then I just go to retouch. That looks like a plaster here. Click retouch. Oops, you have to click this. You have to know what you want to retouch, and then click heal or repair, and then click the object, and then just color on the picture that needs to be repaired. Okay, yep, looks like it's working. Here you are. Okay, then click close. For example, if I don't like this tiny thing here, this square thing that looks like weird here, I can also remove this. Just like if you have pimples, you want to remove it, then you just have to go to AI tools. Then you can choose remove object. You just have to draw around whatever that you don't like. Then it would remove itself for you. So here, nice. Let's say I don't want to just have one, I want to have more photos. Then I just go to add layers again, and then add image, and then choose the photo that I like, for example this one, then click open. The photo is too small, so I can make it bigger, resize it. Well, I kind of like the mathematics here, but if I put it just like this, then I cannot see my robots at the back. So what do? I just choose this opacity, make it less. See? If you make it less, then it will appear like a transparent. Okay? And then you see this appears on the face of my first robot, which I don't like. Then I just have to put my layers of the first robot above. Then the second one will become like a background. Now I cannot see. Okay. So here, maybe I would like to make it smaller. Okay. Okay. Still feel like leaking. Maybe I want to add one more. So add one more photos. Let's see, I want to add, which photo I want to add? I want to add this one. Then I click open. I don't want the background, so I go again to AI tools. Then go to remove background again. Well, two pictures, if you then click apply, two pictures cannot be the main. Okay, so one of the picture has to be slightly blurred in order for it to be nice. So I go to click on the picture and then adjust the opacity, and probably this one make it above, so it looks like this is the first picture, second, and the third. Does it look okay? Well, it looks quite well, I would say, but still looks kind of lacking. What else can I do? Maybe I can add some shapes. So if you want to add shapes, you can either go there or you can add layers. Go to shape. You can change your shape. If you like to circle, you can choose circle. If you don't like, you can custom your own shape. There are numbers of shapes here that you can choose from. Okay, here are the shapes that you can choose from. So let's say I don't want this shape, I just want circle. So I choose circle and then fill. You already know about color, which is one color. Gradient, you can have more than one color. Okay, there's more thing that I would like to show you, which is called pattern. Patterns, you can choose many patterns here. Okay, let's say you want to choose the stars here. Okay, and then scroll down a bit and choose OK. Then you see there are stars. If you don't like, you can always change the shape however you like it. Okay, so let's say I want the circle one, so I just put circle, but it looks weird to be there, so probably I want to make it smaller, and then still looks weird to be there, so maybe I want to add a real color. So add shape, and then I want to fill up the gradient one, make it like this color. See, it looks nice. Yep, actually quite good. Click OK. Circle. Okay, make it like a moon there, so we can drag it. Such a big moon. I have a big moon, and then I want to put this on the moon, but I want it to be up, so I drag the layers, make it bigger, so my stars can cover the moon. But I want my robot to be in front, so push the robot up, and then just one looks weird. Okay, I want to drag this one down, this one down. The title should be above any other design, so let's push the title up. So another one, the title, sorry, that was the hashtag. Let's push the title up on the above, so you can see more clearer. Okay, let's see, I want to have more circles. This I already have one circle. I want to have more. I can just go to the three buttons here, go to duplicate layer. Now it has been duplicate, but where is it? It's here. I just have to drag it. Okay, drag it back. Okay, normally if you put the same size, it doesn't look nice, so you can make the size smaller and probably turn it so the design doesn't look the same. Okay, so you can turn whichever however you like, make it lower maybe. Okay, and then make sure the robot is in front. Okay, and then I want to have these glitters also on, oh, maybe one more circle. Two circles doesn't look nice. Duplicate another one, make one more circle. As I said just now, the circle doesn't look nice if they are the same size, so you have got to give them different sizes. So they don't look the same. You can also adjust. Make sure doesn't look totally the same. Okay, and then I want to add stars, so duplicate the layers for the stars and then drag it and then resize it to the size that you like. Yep, looks okay. Okay, and then maybe duplicate one more, give it to the small one. Okay, so that's how you create a poster. Make sure just remember, like whenever you create a poster, the wording must be clear. Okay, must be something that you can see clearly. If you think the wording cannot be seen clearly, then you have to keep changing the, you can play and adapt. So if you think the wording are not good, just keep changing the wording until the wording becomes something that you can see clearly. Is this okay? Maybe. Or maybe you can also choose a gradient wording. Okay. Just make sure the wording is easy enough to be seen. Okay, that's about it. Last but not least, I would like to encourage everyone to join the AI competition. For students, you just have to create a poster, and for teachers, you just have to create a tutorial video entitled Jom Belajar AI. The new submission date is 31st of July 2024. So do join us in the competition. That's all. Bye-bye.